Bretton joins us with our forecast. Ryan, it seems like for the first time in weeks, we might see some melting outside.
A little bit, yeah.
Imagine that.
Yeah, we're up close to freezing in spots today and tomorrow. And the sun now getting higher up there. So it's not like we're into summer mode yet, but the sun's strength now much better than it was just 6 weeks ago. I want to show you the visible satellite. This is impressive. What you see here, cloud cover. What you see here that's not moving, this is snow cover that's being picked up by the visible satellite today. That weekend snowstorm, the one that missed us, it hammered the Carolinas. Charlotte with a snow depth of 11 inches. Crazy to see that. And the accumulating snow went all the way down to the beaches in North Carolina too. Myrtle Beach got something like a foot of snow. Obviously our snowpack is well established here through the Northeast, and given the pattern we're in, not going to be going anywhere, even though it'll melt and compact a little bit in the days ahead. High pressure over the eastern seaboard now. There's a weak weather system off to the west, but not much to worry about with that. We're in the sunshine though as we speak right now. 28 in Portland, 24 in Bangor, but 30 in Lewiston and 31 in Freiburg right now. Just a little breeze, so there's a bit of a wind chill, but in the sun it does feel pretty nice out there this afternoon. Mostly sunny skies continue, and then this evening the wind lightens up. We have a clear sky and the temperatures will drop like a rock. I think that by tomorrow morning we will have a lot of places in the inland valleys that dip below zero. Freiburg 7 below, Bangor 2 below, and single numbers to perhaps near 10 on parts of the coastline for a low temperature tonight. Lots of sunshine ahead tomorrow, still mostly sunny, and the wind coming in out of the southwest, fairly light, but it gives us a chance to briefly touch that 32-degree mark. Wouldn't be for much longer than maybe a half hour, but even still with some sunshine, central and southern Maine has a chance to hit freezing tomorrow. And we have not done this in about 11 days, so it's been a long stretch. Northern Maine, you'll be in the 20s, but perhaps even some upper 20s up around Berlin and Rangeley. So tomorrow we're looking good, and then there is a series of these clipper systems coming in from the west. Now these are not big systems, generally speaking, they're moisture starved. But the one that comes through on Wednesday will likely bring a round of scattered snow showers. It could drop a coating to an inch. Doesn't look like much, but Wednesday morning there will be some out there that continue into the early afternoon. Another very weak one, even weaker than what comes through on Wednesday, approaches on Thursday. So we have a chance for a few flurries or snow showers with that. Of the three, the most sizable one comes in on Friday, and you can see this here, a strip of snow to the west. We'll have to watch this one as it approaches for Friday night and Saturday. It could organize a little bit into a more formidable storm offshore. So there's at least a chance for snow on Saturday. We'll just have to see how this plays out as we get closer to it. But between now and then, there isn't a whole lot to worry about. This is the Wednesday accumulation, coatings to about an inch of snow. Again, not all that much expected. Seas today, 5 to 8 feet with a northerly wind, 15 to 20 knots on the water. So sunshine here these next 2 days. Snow showers are likely on Wednesday. There's a chance for a few on Thursday, but it doesn't look like a big problem. Colder to end the week. We go from around freezing tomorrow into only the lower 20s on Friday. There is a chance for snow on Saturday. Again, we'll just have to see how that system evolves as it approaches from the west. It's not like it's a big coastal storm or anything, but it might juice up a little bit as it passes through. And then after that, it looks quite cold for Super Bowl Sunday, guys. So I know that'll be a day where everybody's interested in the weather, but if it's cold, you can just stay inside and watch the game on News Center Maine.
It's a better excuse.
Yeah, I think that's more of a thing. People will be inside. All right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.